Hello. But you can put there and the body. We will make now the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Okay, tinatawag po. Tulungan niyo po kami mag-ano tayo ng Christmas tree.
Yes.
Tulungan daw ako ng mga bata ba.
Yeah, look up here. Look up here. You said you want that one.
Yeah, I want.
So what do we start for that kind of how we did it?
We'll open this one.
Okay.
Dito namin ilagay kasi wala kami ibang panglagyan. Maliit lang po ang bahay namin. Pero maglalagay pa rin tayo ng Christmas tree para sa mga bata. Dito sa Lebanon, mostly na paglalagay nila ng Christmas tree is nasa end of November.
And it's starting to be Christmas.
Okay.
We need to find the bases of the tree.
Yeah.
We need to search for the colors of both.
Try to search for me.
But how do I know which one is the middle? I forgot. Okay, so hold on.
Matagal na itong Christmas tree namin. You wanna like ate? Huh?
Mommy, do our face paint. Mommy, mommy, hold the one here or the Haida or the blue or the red.
Hello. Tawa na naman ako kasi masaya lang. Punta kami sa bahay ni Sis Yuki, kunin namin siya. Kasi tuturuan ni Mister na mag-drive. Mainit. Good luck. Gonna.
No, sit down, yalla, go sit down.
Yeah.
Go sit down, you have to learn about the car.
Yes. Yuki is learning now. First day.
This is the car. Before everything, before anything. You don't feel comfortable.
Yes,
You have to
it's
fix
like,
every car. Yalla, you have to push it. Look, see some cars, they are electrical. You can remove the seat. See some cars, manual. You will feel Heidi. You see it? Heidi? Hey, you lift it up and you push your body with it. Okay. When it's
Okay.
comfortable to you, to your steps, you will stop it. If you
Usually
need
how
more,
to be
you
like-
need more.
I think it's good like
You
this.
think the other one you can touch it?
Yeah, can touch
Really?
it.
Sure?
Mm.
The back.
Let me.
Hi, Dad. This one, you okay?
Okay.
I think
It's better, I think.
Yes.
Okay. Your hands, as I told you, they should be like this, not like this. Before you turn on any car, you will ride the car. You want to drive? Look at the mirrors. The mirrors. I will show you something.
Yeah.
You see these? You can see these?
The hander.
Yes, the
Yeah.
hander. You must see it from the hander and that way,
But
not this one. Look, heck, it's not good
Ah.
because you are seeing your door,
Yeah.
and you want to see if somebody is passing from here. So,
so
okay,
to see.
tell me when it's okay to you the handles. From the handles of the door,
I can't see hander now.
you can.
No.
You
only,
cannot?
Yeah. Only a bit. Yes. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, up and down. You can
Uh,
see. You have to see in the middle. Yeah, a little bit from
Ah.
the up, a little bit from the down.
Yes. A little bit from down. The back one full of.
It's okay.
The two. Yes.
Two of them.
Mm.
Not too much from the door, you must see. From the handles to the part, huh?
Okay.
شوي يلا. Where are the people? خلاص there part. يلا. Okay. Later you will begin to go back without
I
looking
need to
even.
go that
Only
side. I will make.
Bravo, bravo, bravo. Stop, stop. Look
much.
here, look here.
Yeah.
If you continue like this, you will be going to the right,
Yeah.
too much to the right. So
Yeah.
you have to adjust while you are looking there or here. Got it? Yeah. Okay, you see? We don't want to be that far. We don't want to hit. Yeah, do it.
Bababa siya. Ay, mag-back siya. May nakita ako. Patani ata yun or ube. Ito, merong isa dito. Wait, ipakita ko. Sige, mag-busy lang kayo dyan na mag-drive. Ito, patani ata siya. Or ube. Dumaan kami dito kanina eh. Ito, ewan ko kung ube ito. Tignan niya. Tignan niyo guys, ito ano kaya ito? Wala namang buto. Ay, i-check na natin kung may buto. May ano yan, yung bunga niya ay bulaklak niya is purple. Ayan, ano kaya ito? Ano ito guys? Ganyan siya guys. Yung buto niya. Beans. Hindi naman ito parda. Wala namang buto para kunin sana natin itanim. Sinong nakakaalam nito? Balikan ko ito pag hinog na siya. Ayan may ano siya, kunin natin yung dry buto niya. Kunin ko nga para itanim natin. Tignan niya, may buto siya malay natin kung tutubo ba. Tumubo lang din naman dito yan siguro, I'm sure. Walang may-ari kunin natin lahat ito para i-try nating itanim. Tuso ako. Nangunguha ng ano ba? Try natin itanim ito guys. May buto pala siya. Malay natin kung tutubo. Kunin ko nga. Okay. Tuso si Mami Laura. Ay, nakakuha na ako ng buto nito. Beans ito na sa ibang lahi siguro na beans yan. Kasi first time ko makita. Tara. Saan na sila? Andun pa rin. First time ko magpunta dito. Ito, ipapakita ko yung banda doon. Na beans. Ayan, ube ito, no? Ube ba? Pero may bunga siya. Hindi naman yan singkamas. Ayan, tignan nyo, yung bunga niya. Parang Bangladesh na beans to. Ano kaya itong line na ito? Ito siguro yung boundary ng tapos doon naman is yung parking. Mag-park ka siguro doon. Yan, may nakasulat stop. Kami ni Yuki, mag-practice kaming dalawa. Mag-practice na kaming mag-park dito sa area na ito. This one and then the other one. Dalawang parking. Yan.
Just adjust. Okay, when you have the car here, it means already the car is safe. No, I said adjust, don't curve to the right, to the left. Adjust. Go back. Now you curve. You can see in your mirror that you are already inside this one, so you can curve. But go. Adjust your wheel. Adjust your wheel. Okay. You see, now you are already inside.
Great.
You are inside the car. Yeah. Go back. Go back straight. Straight line. Go back straight. Go, 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 go. Go back, go back. Go back. Yalla, enough. Okay. Drive a little bit to the left. Take the car straight next to that line. Not... okay. Go. Go. Right. Right. Take it straight. 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 You can see it from the window. Adjust. Okay. 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 Yalla. Go back. Yalla. Yalla. Okay. 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 Stop شوي. You keep going back till you see this one, till you see the corner there. When you don't see it anymore, it means you entered enough. You begin to curve. Yalla. You see the corner there? There, هونيك. Look at me. You see me? Go back. Go back. When you don't see it, you begin to adjust. Go back. Go back. Look here. You're still outside. Go back. Yalla. You see? Now the car is inside. You adjust. Yalla. Yalla. Huh?
Should be all inside or like this also put inside? You see, this
She
not
should
inside.
be all inside. They turn on all the lights here on the old buildings.
We are going home now. Today is finish practice. Learning.
Yeah. After tomorrow, it will be very easy
No,
because you
no,
took
Johnny.
both lessons
Your hope will be
on the
lost.
first day. After tomorrow, it will be the second session, the second day, very easy.
Are you sure?
The day after, the third day,
It's more
you will
hard.
be awesome. Fourth day on the highway.
Oh my God.
The highway, it's more easy than internal.
Highway,
Because
you
it's
need
moving.
2 days, so you are not afraid from the cars.
Wow, it's
But then, the 5th or the 6th day, you will be inside the roads.
That
Like
has like a mermaid tail. I didn't remove this one and I chose one.
What mermaid tail?
Like, how you don't see like this, it's like
Ah.
a mermaid tail. I remove this one, Kamena.
It's the part of it. Hello, wala kaming magawa. Kaya ito. Gabi na akong mag-vlog.
No, not. No. You're supposed to say, what beef? Well, I feel like eating kasu franjo.
I put the if you want, add more. If you want.
After eating a mermaid
Wala,
tail.
it's fine.
I don't want jam it. I think it all.
Okay, pagkainin ko lang sila. Ako naman mag-inom ng papaya. Ano? Ito. Tea. Gabi ako umiinom and umaga.
I'm so excited for biology.
Biology
Study
exam?
it, but I'm scared.
Exam?
No. To get my test back.
Ade.
Nicholas got 13.
Mm.
Everyone got bad. Except that one straight A student, he got 20/20.
Wow.
wait, it's over 20?
Good
The
one.
others, Yana, they got below.
Who is that?
Him.
The one, the other one.
His name is Shelby.
Hi guys, tapos na ang aming Christmas tree. Ayan. I mean, hindi pa tapos na yung lahat. Lagyan ko pa yan ng decoration sa baba. Yung Belen, lalagyan ko pa yan bukas. So, ayan. Tutulog na po kami. Tulog na ang mga bata. So, good night guys. mag-e-edit na po ako. Thank you po sa panonood nyo sa aming vlog. Nagbubulong ako dito kasi tulog na po sila. At matutulog na din po ako mamaya. Ang time na po dito sa lugar namin is 11:55 na po. Kaya mag-good night na po ako sa inyo. Thank you ulit po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa aming channel. Advance Merry Christmas po. Bye-bye.